A businessman whose motor vehicle was shot up yesterday remains in hospital this evening in critical but stable condition. The police have not yet established a motive for the shooting, which happened along the Mountain View Avenue in St. Andrew, but are appealing for assistance from potential eyewitnesses.
A flat tire, bullet holes and a shattered glass all on the exterior of this Range Rover. It all unfolded here along Mountain View Avenue when this SUV, believed to be coming from the airport, was fired on. Reports are that the vehicle was traveling in the vicinity of the Windward Road and the Mountain View police station when another vehicle pulled up to the driver's side and opened fire. The SUV slowed down and the gunmen fired again before leaving the scene. One resident who did not wish to show her face on camera gave this account.
I was just walking down the road and I hear the shot them start firing. I was to run for my life.
How much shots did you hear?
About 10. I heard 2 first and then about 8 follow after.
The police say a motive for the shooting has not yet been established, but preliminary investigations suggest the incident is isolated. Residents say the community has not seen anything like this in months and made this plea.
Stop come a Mountain View come do them wrong for make it look like Mountain View people them in a them crap, them for stop it.
The police are asking anyone with information that can assist the investigation to contact the Ellison Road Police Station at 928-4200 or the nearest police station. Giovanni Dennis, TVJ News.